Welcome. If you're a first-generation home buyer in Minnesota, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Minnesota first-generation homebuyer forgivable grant, an amazing opportunity to get down payment assistance and make your home ownership dreams come true. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. And today we're going to discuss how you can take advantage of this grant step by step. First things first, you need to complete an approved home buyer education workshop within the last 12 months. Once done, you'll receive a certificate of completion, which is crucial for your application. Next, get pre-approved for a fixed rate mortgage from any lender. This includes Sharia Compliant and ITIN mortgages. It's best to complete this step after your homebuyer education course. Applications are accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. Remember, approval reserves your funds for 90 days, but it does not guarantee funding. To qualify, neither you nor your parents or legal guardians should have owned a home unless it was lost due to a foreclosure. Also, you must be a Minnesota resident. Your total household income should be within the specified limits based on your county. For example, $125,200 in the Twin Cities metro area, $118,000 in Dodge or Olmsted County, and $117,700 in other counties. You can receive up to 10% of the home's purchase price, capped at $32,000. This is a zero-interest loan forgiven over 5 years with 20% forgiven each year. The grant covers 1 to 2 unit homes, shared equity, and community land trust properties across Minnesota. You'll need to sign a first-generation homebuyer affidavit to confirm eligibility. Misrepresentation can lead to mortgage fraud, so ensure all your information is accurate. All co-borrowers must be first-time homebuyers. Non-occupant co-borrowers and co-signers are not allowed. If you or your parents have previously owned a home, or if you're married to a homeowner, you might be disqualified unless the home was lost due to a foreclosure. And that's it. By following these steps, you can apply for the Minnesota First Generation Homebuyer Forgivable Grant and move one step closer to owning your dream home. If you would like a referral to a mortgage broker or are ready to go house hunting, give me a call at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. And as always, don't sit on the sidelines. Let's work on your playbook. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons for more helpful tips on the home buying or selling process.